Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 137 of Yakety-Yak straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page almost every day where you can ask him questions. You can also compliment the crew and complain. He answers the questions. We read the questions. We take the cool, the funny, the weird, the lies. We put them here for you so you don't have to read 1,000 questions. So on today's episode, we're talking about smart elevators. No family harbor on the new ships? The daily puzzles, they're the same thing. Always. What happened to all the adult activities? And I can get room service delivered to a different part of the ship?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser asked if John could explain how the smart elevators are supposed to work. You get this one a lot. John said it's actually very simple. You just press the deck you want to go to, and if it's just you, press it once. If there are two of you in your party, press it twice, and so on. So there's videos playing in most elevator banks. All you have to do, like he said, pick the floor you're going to. If you have 5 people in your group, hit it 5 times. This way, it knows when it comes up and it gets to your floor, if it's already picked up 10 people, it's not fitting 5 in. So it will go right past you. But you have to do this. We've been on the ships with the smart elevators, and there are so many people that get on and say, hey, is this going to Lido? You have to hit the button outside. So we did actually do a video on this. We'll put the link in the description to show you how to use them. But once you figure it out, day one, bleeping chaos. They actually have crew in there manually doing it for you because it's chaos. Day 2, day 3, day 4, they start getting a little bit better once people figured out how to use them. So they're smart. You just gotta do it the right way. Question 2. This cruiser saw the exciting news about all the new Carnival ships coming out. They were wondering if it was true that they have eliminated the family harbor area on the new ships. And John said, yes, they did. So they opted to take out the family harbor area, but they're putting in way more connecting cabins, which he said is a more popular request than family harbor itself. So, people go on with their family and so on and so forth, and they got, middle-aged kids, if you will, that don't want to stay with mom and dad. They can actually have a connecting cabin, and they will be able to, it won't be as family specific, so anybody can do it. Friends, groups, everything. So if you like the family harbor, I do apologize. Carnival is taking it away. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. All right, question 3. This cruiser asked, why haven't the daily puzzles on board been changed in years? Obviously, they cruise a lot, and they're right. John said, thank you so much for reminding him. He will pass this along to his colleagues, and he agrees that they have to try new ones and add some new ones. We don't normally do the puzzles, but every time we're on the ships, we've definitely heard people complain they've done this and they know the answers. It's not exactly fun. So you can actually pick them up at various spots around the ship. I'm pretty sure it's guest services. I know on the Excel class ships, you can go to bar 820. They have them sitting there, not by the coffee shop, I'm pretty sure, but they're scattered out and about around the ship. So he did say they're going to work on changing them, get some new puzzles. All right, question 4. This cruiser was recently on the Magic, and they were very disappointed in the things to do. No quest, no belly flop contest, no hairy chest, no sexy man, nothing. They wanted to know what happened to all the activities for adults. John said, well, they haven't had the belly flop competition in probably 15 years now. They do have a Legend of Lido competition, a new late night adult event, and of course the adult only comedy shows. But the hairy man, all that kind of stuff, they had to go PC and get rid of it. So I thought the hairy man was great. A hairy chest contest, I've actually participated in it once or twice. I'm a bit furry, and I thought it was a great time. So last question. This cruiser said they were confused. How can you order room service to another part of the ship or a theater? And John said it's actually pretty easy. Just go into the Hub app. The app asks where you are and then uses technology to make sure you're actually there. So yeah, you can be up on Lido and you want a pizza, there's a fee for it, but they're going to bring it to you. We did see where quite a few people were complaining that they're at the theater in the middle of a show and pizzas and stuff are getting delivered. So, I mean, I don't know. Maybe they were better forethinkers and said, hey, I'm hungry. Let's get a pizza at the show. I don't know. Anyway, that's been episode 137 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Please take care.